Hello, Model 2, welcome back, and we have now exercise 2 on Unit 1, Lesson 3. Choose the correct answer. Number 1, program is used to create and process audio files. Which one of them? Audacity, yes. Audacity or Audacity is a program to create audio. Audio, okay? To record the sound, you have to connect the microphone, printer, speakers, or headset. Sure, we have to connect the microphone to record the sound with the computer. This icon is used to play, stop, or cut or record. Yes, it's to record. Excellent. This icon, like scissors, is used to cut, copy, paste, or delete. Yes, it's for cut. Excellent. To add influence to the sound, you have to select the effect from which menu? File, Effect, Edit, or Help. Yes, effect from Effect menu. Effect from Effect menu. Okay. Question number 2, put right or wrong. Number 1, you can select export sound from edit menu. Export. So export was from which menu? Yes, from file menu, not from edit menu. So this sentence is wrong. Okay. PNG and MP4 and extensions, right, are from audio types. MPNG and MP4. No, yes, it's wrong sentence. Why? Because the audio types is like what? Yes, wave and MP3. Okay. Type. PNG is for pictures and MP4 was for videos. Yes. The extension wave is larger capacity than MP3. Yes, right. So this sentence is right. And it has high quality also. MP3 type is most commonly in websites. Right or wrong? Yes, it's right. Because it has a small size, so it's commonly used in websites. Wave type is not suitable for publish on the website. Yes, right. Because the same reason, it has a large size and it's not suitable for websites. Okay. Question number 3. We have 4 stages for create an audio sound or audio file. First stage was prepare and process. Second stage was implementation. Third stage was modification. And the fourth one was export. Okay, review the lesson and then start to answer the question again. If you have any question in the lesson, you can put it in the comment. And see you next video, inshallah. Good luck.